Hey everyone, Luke Backus here, Business Development Representative with accountingdepartment.com. And I just want to tell you a little bit why I'm here with this company called ADC. I've been in this business since 2001, working for a CPA firm, and was very successful. And unfortunately, they couldn't continue to grow. So I worked for a software company. And I happened to run into Bill Gerber, owner of this company back then in 2005 when they first started, about a year after they started. The name of the company was OSI Business Services back then. And I saw him at a convention, actually, at a conference in Hartford. And I saw it was accounting, and I got all excited because I didn't like the software I was dealing with, the sales. And I got to talk with Bill, and long story short, I came on board in '05. They were a startup back then. There was probably 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of us. And unfortunately, I was there for about 18 months or so. We needed to part it separate ways because they couldn't keep me on board. They were a startup and so forth, so it didn't make sense back then. I turned around and reinvented myself. I became a financial advisor and worked for a company for about 8 years, and I didn't like it at all. And then one day in the summer of 2017, I got a text on my phone from Bill Gerber. I stayed in touch with him a little bit over the course of the years. And his text asked me what I was doing. And my response was, you tell me. So long story short, and I came back in October of 2017, and I rejoined accountingdepartment.com. When that happened, there was a big change in myself. In fact, my wife turned to me and when I came back to the company and said, welcome home, dear. It's nice to see you again. So there's a reason for this, and that is the culture of this company. I've seen both sides of the spectrum where it's toxic and it's not a great place to work. And I've seen the opposite where there's a wonderful place to work, and the owners and the people and really believe in the employee, work-life balance, and so forth. And that's another reason why we were rated number 14th by Entrepreneur Magazine as having the best company culture in the United States. So that's my story. That's why I came to, and that's why I'm still here. And that's why I plan on being here till I ride off into the sunset. Who knows, maybe 10, 20 years from now.